YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, we are going to see the energy vibrations for you for the coming week. This reading is going to be for all zodiac signs and it will be applicable from the very day you click on it. The energies will be applicable for 1 week to 10 days from the day you click on this reading. It is a timeless reading for anyone or everyone. So let's begin with the first zodiac sign of the Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. Let us see the energies for our Aries friends. Okay. Wow, dear friends, it's so beautiful, amazing. Wow, it's a week of big manifestation. Wow. So my Aries friends have now decided to begin some kind of a project. They are saying in a partnership. If this is work related, I see that you are beginning some kind of a project in partnership with the person who can be Leo, Aries, Sagittarius or Aquarius. And this partnership, business or work or profession is going to be very successful for you in this week. In this week, I see your energies that of a magician. As you can see, your first card is that of the Ace of Wands, which tells me that there is something new that you are about to begin. There is a new passionate kind of a beginning in your life that is happening. Your second card is that of an Emperor. An Emperor can be indicative in your own energy. It can mean that you are doing something which is bringing you to a position of authority and responsibility. You are becoming very powerful. And it can also be the energies of a person around you, like your father, your husband, your boss, elder brother, somebody who is elder in the family. And with the Magician card, I can say it is a week of manifestation for you. You have all the tools in your hands to manifest this new beginning for you. I feel for some of my friends who were looking for relationship, this is a manifestation of a marriage for them with this new person who is coming in. For others of my friends who were looking for career, business, professional perspectives, this is a very beautiful week to do these new beginnings in these areas. I see you manifesting something big for yourself. For some of my friends, it can be manifestation of something. Okay, and they give me a card of May. It is possible that what you begin in this week is going to manifest for you in the month of May. Okay. Yes. Okay, the card which has fallen is the card of Sun, and it says happiness and well-being. Okay, the card which has fallen is the card of Sun, which says happiness and well-being. And if I'm going to try to pick this one up, I think I'm going to shake the camera. Let me just help me, dear God. Okay, let it be. So the another card which we have for you says pay attention to your work. So yes, this is a week definitely of working. There can be your boss who is evident in this week, and if you're looking for some kind of an increment, a position change, might be you can have a conversation with this person who is sitting in the chair of authority. And if you pay good attention to your work, and if you're able to explain to them what all you are performing. I feel that in the month of May you can expect a raise or some kind of manifestation of your professional growth. For some of my friends also, it can be an opportunity of moving to another state or a country that you're seeking. I think it's a traveling opportunity for which you wish to communicate with somebody who is sitting in a position of authority. It can also be for some of the children who want to pursue their studies abroad, that they want to approach their father for some financial help also in this case. And for some of my other friends, it can be a manifestation of a property that you're wishing, which can happen in the month of May. Your guidance message says release and surrender. Okay, so let's see. The angels say we shower you with blessings of our radiant love. Open your arms and release the challenges that you've held tightly gripped within your hands. Open your hands, arms and heart to our love and assistance. So wow, amazing. I think Archangel Michael is the magician. Archangel Michael is with you in the manifestation of this something big for you in this week. So I wish you all the best, my Aries friends. It's a very, very, very abundant, prosperous, happy, successful week for you. Oh God, if I was able to pick this card. What's happening? Why am I not being able to pick this? I don't know. Anyways, so I wish you all the best, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy your week. Moving on to the second sign. Okay, the sign of Taurus, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So let's see what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Taurian friends. Dear angels, oh my God, the Emperor popping up again. Wow. Position of authority. Wow, what a powerful week. Wow, amazing. Queen of Pentacles. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I can't leave these cards, yeah. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Something big is manifesting for you. For many of my Taurian friends, it's a happy home. You are manifesting property for yourself, and I have goosebumps all over. Very, very blissful time frame, and what you have to keep aside is your ego clashes that you might be having with your family members or the people you are working with. Amazing. Okay, amazing. So let me just tell you what is about to happen in this week. In this week, I see that there is an opportunity of money manifestation that is coming for you. For some people, it is exactly a manifestation of a home, independence, abundance, happy, soulful life, happily ever after, celebrations happening for you. For some of my friends, there is marriage manifesting, movement, marriage, celebrations happening. For others of my friends, there is a birth of child happening for you. And for some of my other friends who were looking for success, progress in their jobs, businesses and profession, there is a manifestation of a material opportunity which is coming, which involves some kind of travel or movement also to another place or a city or a state or a country. And this week is a week of your grounding, your root chakra healing, your solar plexus chakra healing. A lot of money I see coming towards you, independence I see coming towards you, and you are looking very beautiful, charming, blissful, handsome in this week. I also feel that there can be a person sitting in an authoritative position who is very, very important for you in this week. It can be your husband, your father-in-law, your boss, your elder brother, somebody who can be of zodiac signs of Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, these are very evident energies. Dear friends, I can't tell you how blissful this week can be for you. I feel it is a long due blessed week that is for you. Not just one, I feel that there are many, many wishes that can be blessed for you in this week. I see that you are enjoying a lot with your family and friends, extended family. Also, my God, you're dressing up so well. You are looking so charismatic. Wow. There is traveling for some people. If they ever wished for a broad settlement, this is the week of manifestation of that also. What blissful energies, dear friends. Wow. And for my spiritual friends, I feel that they are going to connect with their soul families. Let us see. Doing something risky, taking a chance. Yes, you are being called to do something risky and take a chance, because I feel that there was a slow moving opportunity which is reaching to you now, and you are being guided to take just this chance, even if it is a manifestation of a home or a move of residential home, something like that. You are being guided to take that chance. Yes, and again we have a very synchronized card over here which says dolphin. Financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So for my friends, I feel that you have really done a lot of hard work, my dear friends. You've gone through a lot. Whoever has clicked on this reading and they happen to see this, and this week is an absolutely blissful week of abundance, lot of stability, security coming towards you. All that you have to work is on your own ego issues. If you have ego issues that come in your dealing with this person in authority, there can be a woman also with whom you have to deal, but these are people who are bringing these blessings towards you. So you have to keep your ego aside and operate from love, because this is a time of blissful blessings coming into your life. Life purpose for some of my friends, definitely they are becoming spiritual healers. So they say the purpose of your life is to serve in a way that brings great joy to yourself and others. So you are supposed to serve in a way which brings joy to yourself and others. Don't worry about finding your purpose. Instead, focus upon serving a purpose, and then your purpose will serve you. Beautiful, dear friends. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. It is a blissful week for you in any area of your life. Your health is perfect. Lot of money, finances, stability coming towards you. Love and marriages manifesting for some. Movement of home manifesting for some. New job offers coming for others. And business prospects. What to say? It's a wonderful time for all of my friends. Enjoy thoroughly well in this week. Lots of love and best wishes. So let's move on to the next sign. So far very, very happy with Aries and Taurus. Let's see what's coming in for my Gemini friends in the coming week. How is the coming week going to be for my Gemini friends? Wow, week of celebrations. So beautiful. Heart chakra opening, connecting with your soul families, connecting with your friends from past. They are saying connecting with your family members, extended family, having drinks with them, having good gala time. Lot of stability, security. Wow, 10 of cups. What more could you have asked for? So I feel that some of you were in the energy of cutting your cords from the people, places and situations which were not serving you well. They can also be a person who is Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, who is who was evident or who is evident to you in this week. And this person is very clear headed person. This person says the things just as the things are. This person can be a highlight of the week. In this week, I see that from the beginning of the week, I see you celebrating yourself. It's a very emotional week and bringing a lot of stability to you. Some of you might be investing in some kind of a property, I feel, and in doing so, I see you feeling very, very victorious and celebrating this happy time with your family. And in this week, there is also one guidance for you to not hold too tight to your finances and do some form of charity. Might be for children. What a beautiful spread for you. For some of my friends, I see that some kind of an increment or an upgrade in their services or business is happening. Some kind of a stability is coming in your life, which is, it can be a material manifestations. Might be you have purchased some property, jewelry, something, or your health is improving, your heart chakra is healing, you're opening your heart towards your soul family as well. Very, very blissful time for you. Okay, so there is a dark woman who is evident, and I feel this Queen of Swords can be a dark woman that you're dealing with. So they say dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So okay, there is going to be a dealing with a woman, can be this Queen of Swords, who is dark. Either her complexion is dark or she has dark hair on a darker complexion side. And I feel that might be this woman was a third party situation for some of my friends, and so you are being guided to hold tightly to your relationships. And somehow I feel that this woman, now you have been able to chuck her out from your life, and so now you are able to have a blissful family happy time in this week. Frying pan, they say trouble accusations. So I feel that there is going to be some kind of a dealing in this week. Might be in your get-togethers when people are visiting your home, or you are going and visiting somebody. There can be certain accusations that you are putting on this woman or this woman is putting on you, but overall I feel that a clarity in this situation is going to come, and there is going to be healing in this week. Joy, yes dear friends, lot of opportunities or of manifesting a joyous time for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well and cut your cords from this woman if she is negative. So they say joy is the highest energy of all. It's the magical sense that everything is possible. Joy springs from appreciating the gifts within each moment. Joy allows you to attract and create your present and future moment at their highest possible level. Wow, wonderful. Dear friends, it's a time for you to enjoy. Have a joyful time with your families, as I see your heart chakra is opening and healing. And if there is a dealing with this woman also, it can be for a day or two. Don't get much bothered with this person who is, I think, can be very, very possessive about you or somebody around you. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. I'm seeing very beautiful time for you. Great. So now we are going to move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian sign friends. So far all the signs have had a very good week, so let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian sign friends. Let's see for my Cancerian friends. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Destiny shift, dear friends. Something major is about to happen, my dear friends. A manifestation of a big time job opportunity or a property manifestation. For some of my friends, marriage and settlement. Oh my God. This is a big week for my Cancerian friends, and you are coming out of your negative thinking patterns. There is going to be a quick communication towards you for what you wanted to manifest from big time for you. Your first card, dear friends, is that of the Wheel of Fortune, the destiny taking an upliftment on you. All your karmic rewards are going to come. This is a week of playing lottery for some of my friends. I'll definitely say there is going to be some kind of a lottery win if you play that. King of Pentacles is the highest card of money manifestation in the tarot deck. So I feel that, an opportunity of money manifestation is definitely heading towards you in this week. It can be job related, it can be business related, it can be your some opportunity through whatever profession you are doing. For many of my friends, definitely it is a start of new business. For some of my friends, I am feeling intuitively there is some kind of property manifestation happening big time for you. And your third card is the Justice card, which again talks of what you have given in is what you're going to get back, as in your karma being rewarded. So I feel that for my Cancerian friends, they have been giving a lot, and this is the time frame when universe wants to give to you big time. And if you were suffering from some kind of ailment also, if you were on bed, you were going through some kind of, might be headaches, sleepless nights, might be backaches, some kind of health issue also, your health is going to drastically improve in this week. You're going to gain a lot of balance in all of your chakras. It is possible that some of my friends were taking some kind of a healing from our YouTube channel, and so in this week there is going to be a blessing on their health. Yes, health looks wonderful, beautiful. So, and for some of my friends who are wishing for a marriage manifestation, there is a person who can be Leo, they told me, Leo, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, who can be evident for you in this week, who can bring this offer of stability and marriage for you. These are people who are mostly going to be interested for going for a kind of a court marriage. And for some of my other friends, I want to say that, if you were going through some kind of a divorce case, you are going to, now this case is going to come to a halt. And if there was a case of a property, there was a court, some kind of a situation wherein you were looking for justice from the courts of law, I see it is coming for you. For some of my friends, a lawyer, a judge can be very evident in this week. This person can be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo sign person who is going to be very evident for you in this week. Yes, so big time manifestations of jobs, businesses, careers, properties, money manifestations, good health, marriage manifestations, divorce cases coming in your favor. If you were fighting a case for your property, it's coming in your favor. There is a card of heart. They say love, deep affection and caring. I see your heart chakra is healing in this week and you are feeling very caring connections. There can be marriage manifestation or something that is manifesting in this week which is giving a lot of joy to your heart. And we have another card. Oh my God, wealth. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. My dear Cancerian friends, this is the week for you. Make the most of it, make the most. And I want to carry these energies for my Cancerian friends from a week to say 10 days. I wish that these beautiful energies carry from them for a week to 10 days, wherein health is manifesting for some of my friends, love is manifesting for some of my friends, and for most of them I feel that love and wealth, everything is manifesting because of what they did in their past. They are getting karmic rewards. Your root chakra is healing, your heart chakra is healing, and your solar plexus chakra is healing. Very, very blissful time for my friends. Cancerian friends, enjoy thoroughly well in this week. There's a big destiny shift happening for you. So they say there's nothing to worry about. If you were worried about a certain situation in your life, they say you are safe. This situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Yes, that quote, that order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. Oh my God, this is so blissful. This is, oh my God. Dear Cancerian friends, would you like to play lottery this week? Go ahead. Some kind of a financial gain is coming for you. Acceptance. See yourself and others through the eyes of angels. With unconditional love and acceptance. In this way, you inspire and lift everyone in their highest potential. Yeah, this is love. This is opening of your heart chakra. Accepting your friends and family members just the way they are. Accepting yourself, opening yourself to the abundance of the universe. And my Cancerian friends, again I'd like to say over here that if there is some kind of a big time manifestation happening for you, do not forget to do some form of charity, to share your abundance, your love with other unfortunate people too, because this is a week of fortune manifesting for you. I'm feeling extremely happy for my Cancerian friends who were going through a lot of down period from a long time. I feel for most of them, big time jobs, businesses, properties. Might be you are also, somebody's gifting you some kind of jewelry, some kind of big money manifestation happening for you. Lots of love and best wishes to all my Cancerian friends. I wish you all the best, and I just wish these energies extend over a period of 2 for you, because I'm really, really happy for you. Lots of love and best wishes. So let's move. So far very happy, dear friends, for all of my 4 signs. Wonderful readings, feeling blissful, happy. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Leo friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Leo friends. How the coming week is going to be. Oh my God, healing, big time, big time, big time. Wow, wish manifestation. Wow, what's happening? Okay, let's see. Wow. What? Oh my god! Could we have asked for anything more? It's a week of manifestation of marriages for some of my friends. You have ended one very, very dark period of your life when your health was also going through, you were going through a lot on your health also. As well, you were being backstabbed by your family members, your friends. There was a lot of negativity around you, and now you are heading towards soulmate partnerships in your life, in your work areas or your love area or your relationships, your businesses, your career. Now you are coming together with the people who are like-minded, who are soul families, who are going to stand by you, who are going to help you be victorious, who are going to help you gain name, fame and recognition in your life. For many of my Cancerian friends, definitely for my Leo friends, definitely a combination of the star with that of the Six of Rods. If you were looking for the manifestation of marriage, this is the week of manifestation of marriage for you. If you were looking for some kind of an upgrade in your position, in your work, in your offices, in your work, in your businesses, in your professions, this is a period of a big wish fulfillment happening. Some kind of a name, fame, recognition or reward is coming to you in your workplace, in your profession. And if you were working on say internet somewhere, I see a lot more subscribers, likes, people coming towards you. You becoming very, very famous. You're becoming like a star, coming in a spotlight. For some of my friends who were thinking of, coming on to media or some kind of a limelight, participating in Mrs. India or Mrs. World Universe something, this is a very, very blissful time, very victorious period for you. And if you were waiting for some kind of results of your exams or your some entrances that you had given, you are going to be victorious. This is a week of a big time wish manifestations for my friends, and your health is healing. You have healed now perfectly and you are ready now for your big time manifestations, my Leo friends. I wish you all the best. It's a very, very blissful time frame for my Leo friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well and make the most of this week, because this week is a week of a lot of people looking up to you. Now you are coming up into your authentic self. Before you were hiding somewhere, you were downplaying, and now I see that my Leo friends, they have first of all worked on their ego issues. Affairs with the family. Yes, if there was some kind of an affair in the family which was causing some kind of negativity, I feel a victory over that is coming. I feel it is a period of blissful manifestations of homes for some of my friends, in a family, for childbirth. Yes, childbirth for some of my friends, marriages for others, upgrade, name, fame, recognition. Might be you are doing something in this week that is bringing a lot of, yes, this is behind you, mice. They say discord among family, friends and family. It is possible that there was a situation where there was a discord between the friends and family members, and in this week you are going to be victorious in bringing them together or solving these issues. Yeah, your heart chakra has healed or is healing definitely, and that is how you're opening yourself to these big manifestations and partnerships heading into your life. For some of my friends, there can be a movement to another state or country. Definitely you are seeking to expand yourself. So here they say heart chakra, love is the heart of the matter. Your heart is the center within your physical being, attuned most to love. Your heart is the center within your physical being, attuned most to the love. It's safe for you to love and be loved with an open heart as we stand by with the perfect protection and guidance. Beautiful. So open your heart towards love, dear friends. If you are wishing to communicate your love and a proposal to a person around you, I feel that zodiac signs of Aquarius is very evident in this reading, and Leo, Sagittarius, Aries sign people, I see them very evident, and Cancer, I will also say as heart chakra, Piscean Cancer and Piscean Cancer, yes, and a Scorpion person might be. Very blissful time for you. Your wish, one of your very big wishes coming true. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love. This is a week of healing for many of my friends. If you are spiritual healers, you are going to gain a lot of popularity in whatever healing you are giving in this week. Lots of love and best wishes to my Leo friends, and this has been a very beautiful reading till now, and now I'm moving on to my Virgo friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Virgo friends. So far all of the signs have had a very blissful week ahead. Let's see what's coming in for my Virgo friends. How is the coming week going to be? Wow, amazing. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So very blissful time frame for my Virgo friends, as karma is rewarding them in this week. Something big is manifesting in your life, and for many of my Virgo friends, I feel that there is an opportunity of money manifestation, a lot of grounding energy. I feel that justice is coming towards you big time. For some of my Virgo friends, there is a manifestation of a home, property, or might be you purchase some jewelry, you're gifted with some kind of jewelry, or might be there is an opportunity of financial benefit in regard to the job, career, business, or profession of a person who is around you. Can be your husband, can be your father, can be your brother, can be your son. Zodiac signs of Libra, Capricorn, Gemini, Aquarius, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean are very evident for you in this week. If you were fighting some kind of court cases, there is going to be justice in your favor. If you were fighting some kind of divorce cases, you are going to win this case. If you were fighting some kind of property cases, this property is going to come in your favor. I see you feeling very much soulful joy, blissful joy. There is something that has ended in your life. There is something that has ended in your life, or you yourself have decided to move away from a situation or person, and you've balanced your chakras. There can be a Cancer person who is very evident around you, and for many of my friends, definitely this is a happy home kind of an environment that is manifesting for you. Your heart chakra is healing, your root chakra is healing, and your solar plexus chakra is healing. There is definitely financial benefit coming for you, and here we have a card which says door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Yes, opportunities are waiting, knocking on your door. You are being called to grasp these opportunities which are knocking on your door at present. Then they say, oh my god, crib, birth or conception of a child or an enterprise. Yes, for some of my friends, there is a beginning of a new business or an some kind of a professional growth or a job coming to you. For others of my friends, there is a manifestation of a childbirth in a family. So some kind of a new enterprise is taking birth, or some kind of a new business work opportunity coming towards you, professional opportunities are waiting for you, and they seek out information that will help you. So you can get connected with people who can give you this information for the manifestation. This is a big time manifestation of good karma for you this week. Expect only the best. Expect a lot of financial abundance coming towards you, as your root chakra, your solar plexus and your heart chakra are healing. And they say giving and receiving. So it is a time of receiving for you as well, as the universe opens their arms and showers their blessing upon you. Do not forget to donate to the poor, unfortunate, to the birds, animals around you. Donate some food, take care of the unfortunate, as you are going through a very blissful period. And they say giving and receiving, the entire universe operates in cycles similar to your inhalations and exhalations. When you only exhale, give, or only inhale, that is receive, you become out of rhythm with the universe. For optimal health, energy and replenishment, balance each inhalation in your life with an exhalation. This is a direct nudge from the universe, that as much as you are receiving from the universe in this week, you are being suggested to even give. Keep the flow of abundance, keep the flow of love in your life. Operate from the place of your heart chakra, as big blessings are manifesting for you in this week. I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Thoroughly enjoy this week, and I'm so happy so far. This week is so blissful for all of my zodiac signs. For all of the signs I've read till now, I am just loving it. Wishing you all the best, my Virgo friends. Let's move to our Libra friends now. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Libran friends. So this reading is timeless, and whenever you happen to click on this reading, from that particular time, these energies are going to start to apply for you. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Libran friends. Sun, Moon, Rising, Libran signs, whichever you associate yourself most with. Chariot, wow. Forward movement, balance, travel for some, purchase of car for some, a Cancer person being very evident. Good health, balance in your chakras. Many cards they want to give me. I take these two again. Oh my god, this is such a blissful week for all of my friends. Oh my god. So my Libran friends, it is a week of the end of your struggles. It is a week of the end of a big lifetime chapter for you. I see that some kind of a forward moment is happening in the life of my Libran friends now that they have gained balance in their chakras. There can be earth sign people, or a Cancer person, or Virgo, Taurus, Gemini person, or an Aquarius person who is evident for you in this week. Beginning of the week itself, I feel that you're going to travel somewhere, or might be somebody from another country travels to you, or you are traveling to another state or a country, or between your own state you are moving. Some of you are thinking of purchase of a property. Some of you are thinking of purchase of a home. Again, they are saying don't keep saying property. For Libran people, it is the home, it is the conducive environment. They like flowers, they like pets, they like luxuries. They make their properties as their home. So they say when you're talking for a Libran person, you don't talk of a property kind of a thing. Libran people are people who make it a home with their love and conducive environment. So in this week, what is going to happen for some of my Libran people, there is an opportunity of traveling. Might be you in this week you are traveling to another state or a country, or you're manifesting an opportunity of movement to another state or a country through your job, business, or your profession. For some of my other friends, I feel that there is a cycle that is completing for you. There is some kind of a manifestation of a home, property, or a professional opportunity, business or job which comes to you, which brings a lot of abundance towards you, stability towards you in this week. And I see that you're feeling very, very abundant. You're dressing up very well. Some of you might be you're doing some kind of shopping also, and I see you taking good care of yourself, doing self-love, going to parlors, wearing good clothes, enjoying yourself thoroughly well. And I feel that most of you are going to enjoy your time of isolation, that you are feeling so abundant in yourself that you just feel that we don't need anyone else to complete us. And this is also a very good week wherein you are going to be able to balance very well your family life and your work life. There is an opportunity of money manifestation definitely happening for you from somebody around you. It can be a female person who is evident, or a Cancer sign person, or might be an earth sign person, Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I see you are being very much praised for your balance in your communications with your friends and family members. The month of July, dear friends, becomes evident. Something that you're going to start in this month is going to manifest for you in the month of July. That's what they tell me. If some of you were looking for marriage manifestations or moving to another state or country, might be it manifests for you in the month of July. Or oh yes, wow, big time. And we see a boat over here. For many of my friends, definitely travel, some kind of holidaying or a move is manifesting in the month of July. Then they say money or property through an inheritance. Oh my God! Winning or a windfall. Could you have asked for anything else, Libra? Oh my God! This manifestation can start happening from you from these 7 to 10 days, and might be in July it happens for you completely. And all the aspects they are covering, they say money or property, which I was sensing already, through an inheritance. Okay, can be coming from your father or your father-in-law, your mother or your wife or your husband, or somebody is gifting you, might be. Then they say winning, which I feel that even can be from a lottery playing for somebody, or a windfall from somewhere. This is coming, and this windfall is coming to you because universe is so happy. Universe is giving you some kind of karmic rewards. Wow, amazing, yeah. And then we see a boat. That is another thing manifesting. For some of my friends, there is traveling opportunity. Could we have asked for anything else? Wow, what a week. Your health is perfect. If you're a spiritual healer, I feel that in this week, yes, trustworthy guidance. They are saying, first of all, they are saying that this guidance what you are listening to right now is trustworthy, and you should absolutely believe in this. So they say you've received a wonderful idea as an answer to your prayers. So there was a situation wherein you wanted guidance, wherein you were feeling stuck, you were having nightmares, some kind of, even might be you were having headaches, or you were stuck in a certain situation, and you put your question to the universe that I need help, and the universe has now brought in this help towards you, and they say you've received a wonderful idea and answer to your prayers. This idea is real and trustworthy. Wow, 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 my dear Librans, I'm loving it for you. You can safely move forward with it. For some of you, there is a literal move. Then they say you can safely move forward with it, knowing that we are with you every step of the way. Wow! For my spiritual friends or otherwise also, just know it that these spirit guides are with you. And some of my friends are going to start to do some kind of a writing. Might be they start to write a book, or they pursue some kind of career in writing. Might be poets. And so they say, wow, amazing. Yeah, I'm getting goosebumps, loving it. So they say, ask for and be open to receiving our support for everything that you need related to this idea. Wow. So there is an idea definitely which was divinely sent to my Libran friends, and now in this coming week, this idea is going to manifest some kind of an abundance into your life, because I see you're balancing your chakra. One chapter of your life is closing. Yeah, that's what they're telling me. For some of my friends, they say you didn't mention there can be a childbirth also manifesting for some of my friends. All in all, you're feeling whole and complete in yourself. You are looking very handsome. You're working on your body also. Yes, for some of my Libran friends, I feel that they are gaining balance in their chakras and losing weight also. They are becoming very, very proportionate in their body. They are becoming very attractive also. Wow, wonderful. So over here, there's another card which says have confidence. And again they say moving forward. For some of my friends, there's definitely a move. So they say moving forward does not necessarily require you to have confidence in yourself. Confidence in God is enough. Oh my God. This pile is so much spiritually guided. I feel that, everyone who chose this pile, your deceased loved ones in heaven, your angelic realm, your guides, your guardian angels, your spiritual team is so very well connected with you all the time. And so they are saying that go forward with this idea or this movement, whatever opportunity is coming towards you. They say you just have to have confidence in your spirit guides, your ancestors, your loved ones who are there, who are working behind the scenes for you. And they say confidence in God is enough, along with knowing that God works through you and with you in all ways. Wow, wow, what a beautiful week for you. Amazing, yeah. Lean upon us if your confidence wavers, and we will buoy your courage and faith. Wow, yaar. I'm taking this reading, yaar, bang on. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, God, universe, Holy Spirits, my ancestors, my deceased loved ones. Thank you for this blissful time of abundance of my root chakra healing, for my Libran friends, for their solar plexus chakra healing, and basically aligning with the divine energies of the universe, because you have been releasing your negative aspects and embracing your positivities, and you have been listening to the divine guidance also very carefully. So I wish you all the best. Thoroughly enjoy this week, 10 days. Lots of love and best wishes for my Libra friends, and so far so good. All of the signs have been wonderful. Let's move on to my next sign. That is the sign of Scorpio. Let's see what is coming, and they again say what's manifesting for Scorpio friends. Let's see. So dear friends, how the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. Wow, let's see Ace of Rods, new beginning. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful time frame for all of our friends. Wow, 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 amazing, yeah, amazing. Manifestation, a big time manifestation of abundance into your life. Wonderful. So, an opportunity of money manifestation, or might be a property manifest. Yes, money manifestation, definitely. Property or a home manifestation is coming very, very evidently for my Scorpion friends. And there is a Cancerian person around you. Piscean or Cancerian person around you is becoming very evident, and there is a blessing that is coming to you from your ancestors. And I feel in this week, for some of my Scorpion friends, there is an opportunity of a secretive love relationship manifesting. A relationship that was secretive can manifest into marriage. For some of my friends, marriage and stability. For some, yes, I also see fire signs being very, very evident, like Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries person being very, very evident for you in this week. For some of my Scorpion friends, I feel that there is a new opportunity of manifestation of a business, work, or a profession, or there is a growth that is coming in your work profession in this week. There was something, there was some opportunity that you were holding back because your subconscious mind was very negative about the manifestation of this opportunity for you. But in this week, you have happened to come out of that negative mindset, and now is the time when you will happen to manifest this opportunity of growth for you. It's a very blissful growth, period of growth. And what is suggested for you is to just come out of your negative mind frame and come out of the fears in your subconscious mind that this new beginning cannot be good for you. I feel that it is if it is a work related or a financial beginning that is for you, it can be a big time good opportunity which manifests for you. Listen to this Cancerian or Piscean person around you who can be giving you a very, very good advice. Your health seems to be becoming good in this week. Just you have to work on the fears that you hold in your subconscious mind. There can be a person in authoritative position with whom you will have to deal, and you will have to get some approvals from this person who is holding some kind of an authoritative position. Might be with regard to your home property manifestations, or might be with regard to your job or business opportunities, or whatever you are wishing to manifest. Let's see. There is a dealing with a dark man, a man with dark complexion. So they say dealing or relationship with the man with dark complexion or hair. So this man with whom you are going to deal is going to be very evident in this week. So this can be a person who is Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries sign person. You can might be this man has long hair or dark complexion, or something about him you will understand might be highlighted in this week. And for some of my friends, they say someone is behaving stupidly. So it can be there can be somebody around you who is behaving stupidly, and so you can ignore that person. And in this week, there is family affairs. So for some of my friends, in this card you can see there can be a manifestation of a childbirth in your family, somebody becoming a father or a grandfather, or might be a property, hereditary property, something like that is manifesting. So they say this situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member. Wow. Which we can help you to understand and heal. So there is some kind of a healing that is going to come in this week with a family member. A child might be, or your parent. In your mind and heart, surround this person, yourself, and the experience with calming blue light and many angels. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel peace. Wow, beautiful. So I feel it is a time of healing in your family relationships, because might be there was a person who was behaving stupidly in your family, but in this week there is some kind of a blessing coming towards this person. It can be your child also. Let's see. So they say there's nothing to worry about. So whatever situation you're going through, might be your health situation also that you're worrying about, some kind of a new beginning. They are saying, the angels are saying, that this situation is very well in our hand, and so not need to worry about it. They say you are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and the universal order. Wow. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. Wow, amazing, yaar. It's a very, very beautiful week, and I see that a position of power, some kind of an authoritative gain is coming towards you. Either in your work area, there is an upliftment, there is an opportunity of upgrade coming towards you, or there is a position in a family. Something might be you're purchasing something, doing some kind of an investment that will upgrade your position of prosperity. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes for my Scorpion friends. So far so good. Yes, very, very blissful week for all of my friends. Let's see how this week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends now. Moving on to my Sagittarius friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. So the last week energies were very blissful for my Sagittarius friends. Their health was perfect, and a lot of money manifesting opportunities were coming for my Sagittarius friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be. Oh wow. Oh wow. Good news of a money manifestation opportunity is coming for my Sagittarius friends. Oh my god, yes, abundance, yes. Abundance, abundance, abundance. Money is coming towards you in this week. If you were waiting for some kind of a news on a certain investment that you had made in your past, yes, that opportunity is coming to you, towards you. For some of my Sagittarius friends, there is going to be news of a manifestation of a new home or a property for you. And for some of my Sagittarius friends, there is a good news coming from your child towards you. It can be good marks or an upgrade in their position, something of the sort. For some of my friends, there is a good news coming for their partners, or might be for themselves, for the manifestation of a good position in a work area, in their job, their professions, or their businesses. And for some of my friends, there is a manifestation of an upgrading opportunity for their husbands, for the females, for their husbands, fathers, or their brothers. Some kind of an opportunity just coming. It can also involve some kind of a discovery of your passion or movement. For some of my friends, they are just beginning a relationship, coming in a relationship with a new person with whom they are the other person is very passionate about you. They want to discover a lot about you. Might be you want to discover a lot about you. Zodiac signs of Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, and Cancer are very, very evident for you in this week. For some of my friends, a big time manifestation of childbirth is happening. If you were looking for ways of conception of child, this is a week of conception of child. Money manifestations, prosperity, a blessing from your father or a husband can come to you from an ancestor. It is a very, very blissful week for you, wherein I see a lot of stability, some financial benefit. Oh my god, and we have a car. Oh my god, oh my god, could we have asked for anything else? Wealth is manifesting for many of my Sagittarius friends. Definitely, if there was a news on your money which was held back from you, a good news regarding your wealth manifesting is coming for you as well. For some of my friends, this is a heart. Love is manifesting, so they say love, deep affection and caring. Wow, I feel that love and wealth both are manifesting for you in this week. This is a very blissful time frame for my Sagittarius friends, just like the last week as well. In this week, very blissful time. Enjoy thoroughly well with your friends and family members. I see your younger brothers, sisters around you, your elders also. Oh my god, what a beautiful time frame for you. See only love. I feel your heart chakra is healing, your solar plexus chakra is healing, and your root chakra is healing. Abundance coming into your life. So they say, see only love. So they say, look past the seeming errors, mistakes, and misunderstandings and see only the love within each person, including yourself. Your resolute focus upon the love that underlies every situation brings about healing in undreamed of ways. Wow, so amazing. We see two hearts here. Oh my god, there's a heart here, there's a heart here, and definitely a lot of healing on your heart chakra is coming. Your family, your loved ones, your children. There can be a manifestation of some kind of a business or a property, kind of an opportunity for your child also happening, or for a parent happening. So that kind of a scenario can be there, which is giving you a lot of joy. Can be for your brother, somebody younger to you is getting married. Very blissful time frame of abundance, and your heart chakra healing, you opening to divine guidance. It's a beautiful time frame. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, my Sagittarius friends. Yes, again, so far so good. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is my Capricorn friends, and let's see what's manifesting for my Capricorn friends in the coming week. I am so very happy for all of my friends. We've done 9 signs till now, and all of the signs have been so good. So what's coming for the next week for my Capricorn friends? Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. So from the day you click on this reading, from that day your energies for coming 7 to 10 days are going to be, because this is a timeless reading. Okay, let's see. There was a situation around you wherein either you or a person around you was suffering some kind of health might be, or you yourself were suffering. Okay, let's see. So my Capricorn friends, there is or was a situation around you wherein you or a person around you is really suffering on their health, having sleepless nights. Might be they have some kind of a problem in their mind, body and soul, some kind of negative thinking pattern, or literally they have some kind of a problem in their mind. Either your mother or somebody around you suffers from paralysis or some kind of health ailment. Might be some problem in their back, in their spine, also in their legs. And there is going to be a quick communication coming towards you. Might be this person travels towards you, or there is a quick communication coming for this person, or might be for you, and this communication is going to bring balance for your energies or the energies of this person around you. There can be travel involved in this week. Might be somebody is traveling towards you, or you are traveling towards somebody. And for some of my friends, it is possible that you are initially the the start of week you are feeling very stressed about somebody coming towards you, but towards the midweek and the end of the week you feel very balanced, you are harmonious in your own energies. I see a big chapter is closing in your life, and in doing so the health of this person is also a concern on your mind. So the zodiac sign energies which I see most evident for you are that of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Aries and Leo. So in this week, the beginning of the week, some of you can have headaches or some kind of stresses. For say Monday, Tuesday, towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you energize, your energy is very fast, you are traveling, you are communicating fast, or there are people traveling to you, fast communications happening. And towards from Friday, Saturday, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a lot of balance, blissful energy, angelic blessings are coming towards you. You are at peace, you are being diplomatic, you are being able to handle the situations with a lot of love and care also. So there's a card which says jug, light-hearted, carefree times. Yes, I feel that you're very stressed about somebody traveling towards you, but when they will come, eventually you're going to have a lot of light-hearted, carefree time with them. And the month of April is evident for some of my friends who are closing a chapter in their life and manifesting something big, who are wishing for a manifestation of some kind of a big thing in their life. The month of April is going to be evident for you. Might be the situation for which you are stressed and you are feeling. For some of my friends, I feel manifestation of childbirth can happen in the month of April for you. Ground yourself, they say, yes, because you have a lot of scattered energy in your upper chakra, so you need to take root chakra healing and ground yourself. So they say, and you please connect with nature. You stand barefoot in mud for 10 minutes every day and ground yourself with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. When you detach from awareness of your body and the physical world, you become ungrounded. Although it's pleasant to float heavenwards, yes, thinking too much, a lot of thinking is happening in the upper chakras. Your attention and work are needed upon the earth, so get grounded, come down to reality. We are helping you balance the spiritual and material so that you can enjoy a fulfilling earthly life. Wow, wonderful. So for my friends who are looking for a manifestation of some kind of a business or a work or a property, also you're being asked to ground yourself first. Come out of your negative thinking pattern or too much thinking pattern to manifest this abundance into your life into the month of April 2021. Wishing you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Capricorn friends. And now let's move on to my Aquarius friends and see how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarian friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarian friends. Let's see the energies of the coming week for my Aquarius friends. Strength, wow. Courage, compassion, wow. Feeling very, very strong. Leo person can be very, very evident for you in this week. Let's see. Wow, dear friends, you're moving towards calmer times. My Aquarian friends, there is going to be a communication with a Leo person, I feel, or a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini person. There is some kind of a documentation also happening in this week. And it is possible that you or someone is traveling, planning a trip, and so some kind of a documentation is happening with regard to that planning or trip or They are saying that there is somebody who is not well in the family, and might be they are signing their will, they are making their will. That kind of a communication can also happen. For many of my friends, I feel that there is travel in this week, might be quick flights you're taking, and some kind of visas, documents, you have to check for that. I see that you are going to be very strong if there is some kind of business opportunity or some kind of work opportunity that you thought of manifesting for yourself. That will manifest big time for you, because you have the courage, you have the confidence, you have it inside of you to manifest anything and everything for you. In this week, you are going to be very courageous. All the stagnant energy has started moving now. So if you were suffering some kind of health problems also with regard to your mind, body and soul, I see a lot of strength coming to you in this week. Universe is blessing you. Infinite blessings are coming towards you. If there was an opportunity of travel which you wanted to manifest for your child, might be studying abroad, or might be marriage manifestation for your child or for yourself, might be a clear communication is going to happen with that regard also. Yes, so they say 4-leaf clover, great good fortune. Yeah, wow. I think something is manifesting for you in this week which brings you big fortune, and there can be an involvement of a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini or a Leo sign person, and they give a month of March. Yes, so this, whatever you are thinking of manifesting, whatever documents you are signing in this week, this opportunity will manifest you big time. Good fortune is going to come towards you in the month of March itself only. Either it is March 2021 or yes, I feel that this will happen for you quickly. This communication is now going to happen for you quickly, and there is going to be a manifestation. So forward momentum and healing in a situation wherein there was no healing. In that particular situation I see healing is coming towards you, and they say innocence. So for many of my friends, I definitely feel there is traveling involved or some communication with the child might be, and so we have a card of innocence. For some of my friends, there is a manifestation of childbirth happening. Yes, might be you have to go under sword for that, but yes, it will manifest for you. If you are planning of an IVF, IUI childbirth, it will manifest for you, or any other technique, it will manifest for you. So they say, beloved one, everyone is guilty-less in truth, as no one can alter God's hard work of perfection. Give us your feelings of heaviness so we can lighten your load. Wow. Give us any guilt, anger or blame that may shrewd your loving outlook. Enjoy the peace within your heart once more. Wow, a big time healing is coming. It is also possible that there is a healer around you who is giving you some kind of a healing, and because of that healing you have been able to cut your cords with negative people, places and situation, and so now you're coming back into your power, your strength, your courage, your confidence is coming back, and you're moving towards calmer times. Beautiful energies for my Aquarius friends. I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy this week thoroughly well. Now, so far so good. All of the signs have been good, and moving on to the last sign, that is the sign of Piscean, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Piscean friends. I'm really praying for my Piscean friends. Dear God, angels, please give a good, happy week for my Piscean friends. Oh my God, so many cards they gave me. Okay, so first thing that they are saying is that my Piscean friends have been listening to A lot of readings, have been taking a lot of healings, and they are being divinely guided, definitely. Oh my god, some kind of a contract is coming towards you. Wow, wow, what a blissful time frame. What is this all about? So for my Piscean friends, for some of my friends, this is a time of rebirth and expansion. If you go under knife or some kind of a bodily some kind of an ailment or some kind of a disease or a problem that you were having in your body, you're going to have a rebirth in this week or 10 days. For others of my Piscean friends, there is an announcement of a marriage. Expanding yourself from two people to your soul family. If you were wishing for reconciliation and marriage with a partner, might be with whom your relationship was secretive, this is a week wherein this can manifest for you, wherein they are either going to talk to their parents or extended family, or you are going to talk to the parents and extended family, and you will try to build on this relationship. Wow, wonderful. For some of my other friends, there is a second chance coming for you. If you had ever thought of working online or opening your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your Facebook, and doing your work online and connecting with people from far off places or many people, this is a very right time frame for you to start your work, because this is a time when you're going to connect with your soul family. For many of my friends, there can be an opportunity through their work, business or profession, wherein they plan to travel to another countries or states or cities for the expansion of their work. For some of my friends, there is a second chance, a calling from a person from past of your jobs or your past, somebody you know from past. They call you for an expansion, for them to work with you in a team, in some kind of a project that they want to build, or might be they want to build some kind of a property. For some of my friends, there is actually manifestation of a property, building of a project or a home, and some kind of a documentation is about to happen in this week. So there is a big time manifestation, because there is something which you are going to write down, get a commitment from somebody. That kind of a big manifestation is happening, which is like a rebirth for you. Now this document can be a report from the hospital, this can be a document from the court, a contract from a certain company or a business that is coming towards you. Very blissful time of expansion. You're coming into expansion, coming out of your small world into the wider world now, and you are being appreciated for the talents, for the works that you have done in past. Wow, dear friends, shower of abundance. Wow. So they say, to heal your financial situation, first give us your worries concerning money. We will guide you in order to show you how to create and accept abundance. As we work together, your financial situation will heal as fast as you will allow. Wow, I feel that there is a rebirth happening in your body because of the healings that you were taking. Your root chakra is healing now, your solar plexus is healing, and so you're being able to manifest abundance in many areas of your life. Oh my god, there's another card of coins, money manifestation. Yes, this is a manifestation of a property or a business opportunity, or some kind of a money manifestation happening because of your expansion of work and upgrade. Might be a salary increment coming towards you, an opportunity of working from another country, which brings you a lot of financial benefit. So they say money will be coming to you. Wow, in this week, dear friends. I feel for some of my friends, heredity money also can come to them because there is a contract that is being signed. Yeah, and they say financial pinch. Might be you had a financial pinch in past. You were feeling the lack of money, and this week you are being grounded. You are healing your root chakra, and this is a week of money manifestation and abundance manifestation in your life. Wow, I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends. Lots of love and best wishes. Expand yourself. Move towards more horizons. Be open to the opportunities that are coming towards you. Lots of love and best wishes to all my Piscean friends. And I thank all of the friends who visited this reading. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and prosperous week ahead.